Hola everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make coquito today, which is a Puerto Rican eggnog, and I absolutely love it during this time of year. So first, what you need to make this is 1 can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, a can of coconut cream, and a can of coconut milk, along with cinnamon, vanilla, and nutmeg, and your choice of liquor. First things first, you're going to put all of these ingredients inside of a blender. Quick tip, coconut cream solidifies. Make sure that it's liquid or put it under warm water so that you don't get any chunks. Next, put in your liquor. I use whiskey. I love the spices in the drink. People do it with rum traditionally, so if you like that, go for it. Add in the vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Blend it all together. And then pour it into your bottles and chill 1 hour before serving. Et voila! Your very own coquito for the holidays. I'll be drinking this until Three Kings Day.